Hello, and this is Workflow API via FastAPI by Kuchnik Alexander, done 24th of May. So here is stack of technologies that I used: FastAPI, NetworkX, and Matplotlib for graphs, and visualizing the graph, SQLAlchemy for database and connection with Python, Pydantic for data validation, and PyTest for validation of the, not the validation, but for testing the app. And FastAPI for all of this. Here is the content of the app. Main.py contains all the endpoints. Graph Manager contains all the logic and all the creation, addition of the nodes. Modules.py contains like nodes and their classes. And database.py contains all the logic that goes with the database, and test.py goes with all the testing of the app. Now let's talk about the features of the nodes. We can see like here has start node, message node, condition node, end node. You can pause and understand which in edge this is going to be the source edge, and out edge is going to be a target edge. I just create this table for basic understanding of the nodes and its features. So for example, start nodes don't have source edge but has single target edge, don't have status, and don't have content, but message nodes goes another way. Here is like the basic understanding of how this schema of workflow could go, and you can just pause as well and go and understand it. So now let's go to the interesting juicy part, as we say. Let's go with testing, and you can see like these files up here, and let's try PyTest. So you can see how test goes by. All of 6 tested are passed, and that's a good result, I think. So now let's go to run this app. So here's like FastAPI. We can try to create start node. Here's we creating the ID of the start node, then we doing all of the stuff and all of the features for the start node, and we are assigning target node. We are assigning it ID to 1, because we are now going to create message node that is going to have an ID of 1. Here it goes. Like, now let's write all the features to the message node like this, and you can see how the like return value will go, and how after the request what we will get. We will get like 200. That says that everything is okay, and node added successfully. Then we're gonna add the condition node. Here we're gonna go with 2 targets, yes and no target, and we will assign the one target with the endpoint and another assigned with nothing by now, but this will help us to understand how the pass works by, and it will not show us all of the nodes, but just like the nodes that goes from the node that we wanna start and wanna end with. So we will see like here's the end node, yet, and it got ID 3, and now when we are going to pass, let's start with for 0 index and 3 index, and we will not see 4 index. So just because the 4 index don't include it in this pass. That's it. So you can now see the pass. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.